am. I'm making a new plan, rearrange.
What's going on, man?
How's it going, man? How you doing?
I can't complain. How you been?
Good, man.
I've been seeing you online, so I'm gonna catch up with them.
Same essays, 18s. The only thing that changed is the wood roof, and we got the JP83 on them now.
Just one?
Just one.
Yeah.
Find something real quick.
One more.
We're gonna go to regular music. This ain't rebates.
What you finna play ain't rebate?
This ain't gonna be rebates.
What you got in this thing, man?
On the way.
5.3 cam.
Outside, man, that thing. What, you ain't had this in the last time I see you, did you? You had a camera? You had it in there? I don't think you might have had it started up when I heard it. What, that thing sound good.
Fabricating stories on the family. When I rap or talk about guns and somebody died, they first time I shot me a Drake, the homie had told me that he was this way.
Right there. It was good seeing you again, brother. Let me know where they can find you at.
On TikTok, greenc_11.
I'm gonna be sure to tag them down below, man. It was good seeing you, bro. We do it again, man.
Hope it sounded a little better this time.
Oh, man, that thing hit, man.
We ain't got all the rattles with the roof being
I couldn't even tell. I didn't even tell last
I did
time.
the roof.
I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearrange.